This is the latest method on how to flash a Coinbase wallet account. First of all, download your Coinbase wallet. As you can see, we have 0.68 BNB on this wallet. All we need to do is convert this 0.68 to a bigger amount. So click on the BNB, then click on choose asset. Okay, then I will give you a particular token. This is the token that will generate the millions of coin. So let's test out $1. As you can see, $1 will give us 156 million coin. 2 USD will give us 331. So for this tutorial, we'll be using 0.01. So we are getting 1.5 billion coin. As you can see, click on swap. Okay, we are successfully swapped 0.01 to our wallet. So the next step is to refresh it. As you can see, we now have 1.3 billion worth of crypto in our wallet. So this thing worked perfectly. So in case you want to send it to your client or send it to anybody, all you have to do is create another wallet. This is our client wallet. Let's rename it as our client wallet. So this wallet will be a receiver wallet that will send the coin to. Okay, so go to the client wallet and click on receive. Click on Ethereum address, copy the Ethereum address, then go back to your wallet and flash it. So for this tutorial, we'll be sending $900,000. So we send 1 million because they are going to take charges. This 1 million will give us 900. Input the receiver or client wallet that you want to flash. Input it, then click on confirm. As you can see, we just sent $1 million worth of coin. Okay, as you can see, received. So if you need this particular flash token, I will leave a link below where you can contact me and get it. As you can see, send. So let's go back to our client wallet and check if the money have. Okay, you can see the money just came in, 900,000. So received. As you can see, it's very simple. This is how to flash any amount. You can decide to flash 1 trillion, 1 billion, any amount. Note, this information is for education purpose only, and I will leave a link below where you can get BNB. So do well to like, share and subscribe and watch out other videos. Bye.